What's up mga ka-intense? This is our day 2 of 60 days challenge and today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Mualbual! Yay! Kala mo full charge lahat ng mga kasama natin, ha? Grabe, so actually guys, 4:38 AM pa ngayon tapos wala pa tayong tulog. So nakita nyo yung post ko kanina, nag-post ako I think mga nasa 2 AM, parang sabi ko matutulog pa ba or diretso na. So diretso na tayo ngayon, sa biyahe na lang tayo magpapahinga, matutulog. And today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Mualbual and ipapa-experience natin sa mga leaders ang sardines, and at the same time mag-overnight tayo doon at mag-enjoy lahat ng mga leaders. And celebration na din sa pagiging top 20 namin dalawa. So I'm so excited kasi first time ng mga leaders na magpunta sa Mualbual. Overnight ito guys, nag-rent tayo ng buong resort. Grabe, buong resort talaga? Buong resort, isang bahay yun. Parang resort na rin kasi yung front niya beach siya, so doon tayo mag-enjoy at overnight. Yeah, let's go mga kaintas!
Loving the danger, you set me on fire when I'm by your side. Taking me higher, I'll follow you down if you go down. Now you say you wanna get away, you wanna take me all the way. Might get burned if you get closer to the sun. I want ya. We can burn together, fading into one another.
So we're here sa Mualbual. Ano? First time ni Coach Rohina ang ating OFW. Oh. After 7 years sa Saudi, makakaligo ka na ng dagat. May dagat ba doon? Wala. Nakakaligo ka doon? Wala. Kaya hindi ito nasasanay si Coach Rohina ang naliligo.
Sanay sa isda. Mapunta sa isda mamaya.
So, we'll go to magaligo na tayo ng sardines. 555 sardines. Kung wala kayong ulam, mag-sardines. What can you say sa day 2 of 60 days challenge ko?
Day 2?
Day 2.
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
What
You will get it.
what's your motivation to
Resistance is the key.
so I should be consistent?
Yes.
Okay. Okay?
Pay for the price that you want.
Oh, don't you know you're still loving to me, baby? We could run free if you do it just the way you like. Maybe I could waste my time on you. Never mind all I worry.
Kasali na yon.
Kasali na.
Saya, Tagalog. Diba?
Bisak.
Okay. Ano yung guide nyo? 6 po.
Dami ah.
Yung guide sa inyo. Bawat isa sa kanila.
We're going to the sardines na. Ang dami natin mga leaders na mga first time. Please don't touch the tour guide.
Holding hashtag daw.
Holding hashtag. We're here sa beach na Tuyo. Kasama natin si Wahab. Don't touch the turtle.
Don't touch the turtle, but the turtle is touched to me.
Ano rin, Zed? Ay, mugot-mugot na kayo. Mag-enjoy na ito. Siyatoy ka na?
Yes, really na tayo.
Grabe naman. Saan siyatoy ka na? Kapay?
Kapay-kapay wa.
Medyo... Ay, grabe naman. Ano? Ikaw?
Excited na! So excited!
Saan yung ano mo, Vince? Diyan na?
Andiyan na, panghiram lang ako.
Share na lang daw. Excited ka naman?
Yes! First time!
First time. So, nag-orient na and then after this, we'll swim na. Let's go. Are you ready?
Yes!
You're ready? after natin maligo, how's the experience? People. Kumusta experience mga people?
Kailangan nakaano na.
Anong experience? Kumusta?
Grabe, first time. Buti na lang hindi ako inabot ng 50 years old. At so,
Yeah. Ilan pa lang yun? 49.9?
49 point. Ang sarap na experience sa dagat.
Si Janet.
Ito yung halatang walang tanggal-tanggal. Oh, buong mukha, chikinini na. Sinip-sip na yung mga gagong.
Snorkeling ever!
Ay, grabe naman.
Ang galing talaga mag-snorkeling.
Ang tatlong teacher, naliligo na. Teach.
If you do it just the way you like, maybe I could wait for time. Are you?
We're here!
Daming energy oh. Nakatulog eh.
So, we are here at our
Wait lang.
stop for
Sige, ano
today.
yun? Yung
Ito na yung nirentahan natin yung
Dito,
buong
sige, mo.
house, buong resort for one day.
Keep on hiding the words that I cannot say. I got what you wanted, I got what you needed. It's all in the way that you say my name. Might get burned if you get closer to the sun. I want you. We can burn together, fading into one another. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, don't you know you're still having cool me, baby? We got on free if you don't just do it.